Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and welcome to the new Airflare tutorial. Before to start, the Airflare needs some requirements such as the swipe, the flare, the windmill and some hand-ups on both hands. If you cannot do these moves, check out the links in the description and watch the previous tutorials. If you want me to help you with your power move progress, check out my Patreon link in the description. And also, if you're interested, check out my merch, also link in the description.
Hey guys, my name is Bestia and today we'll teach you the Airflare. I will show you a few simple exercises to improve your Airflare step by step. The handstand and the power freezes on both arms are the main positions that you need to master before learning Airflare. So while doing the handstand, make sure to get the right position with your hips area and with your back, like this. Also try to avoid to move your legs backwards like this. Try to keep them a bit lower towards your face. So talking about the arms, try to keep them straight. Don't bend your arms like this. So to learn the Airflare, as I told you before, you need to improve and master your power freezes on both arms. Try to simulate the same position with the legs, but while doing the power freeze. After mastering the power freezes, you need to learn the hand-ups. So while doing the hand jumps, try to always keep your knees towards your face as much as possible. So after the jump, you need to move your knees towards you. So, when you do hand-ups and power freezes, try to turn as much as you can your hips to your left, like this. After this, you will open your shoulder in the right way. After learning the power move start, try to turn your hips and legs until you reach the power freeze position. Once you are there, try to hold it. Once you get the power freeze position, try to keep your left leg, if you spin clockwise, over your head and towards you. Now you need to use the hand-ups to land and get the power freeze position on your left arm. While you get the power freeze on your left arm, make sure to move your right leg towards your face as much as possible. So it's really important before jumping to push in the right direction with your legs. So try to do it over your head and up, in this way. Once you land your left arm, try to close your chest, for the second round, and try to put your second arm, the right one, on the floor. After this, try to do the same movements you did in the first round. Let's say you start from the handstand. From here, try to push and move your right leg in this way. Once you get the power freeze position, try to push up and over your head with your right leg, okay? So try to do like this. Of course, try to use also the hips area, like this. But keep your legs always towards your face. Once you jump and you change arm, you land on your left one. Here you should try to keep your hips and especially your right leg up. They need to stay high. And then to do the second round, try to close your chest like this and move your second arm on the floor. And try to repeat again the same movements you did for the first round. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram, Bestia_arts. Peace.